Ebusuafo memo bibia kwaba deba GCN page so midin ede adwoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel me notification bell no so for more news. Abu eye adwuma ewo Ontumi TV ono na o host program awatu ne din Nsempafie na Abu na okase o de ensemwe etodwa ewo Nsempafie program o host so o chese o de warning way ema eye omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama na warning ni na ne se Abu chese omanpani dada embra out embepa Asante for Chow and Sana 2024 were to me 29 SC Ashanti region so kwakwaya campaign enya sadia emano mono humusu se 2024 obeba Ashanti region ababeye campaign na adentia Abu campaign na ene se o kire se eye omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama sesie no ode Asante for aye chopia e wonano ena ore titrupa ene Kelvin Taylor our campaign de ma ono omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama no omo de asantefo esi omo ano eno mu twa omo anapa awia enwure ahomachinde bia na ne Abu se ne ya pa ne se nansen omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ne to a oko ene se mebrina na oka na ba ko bia akoka ose eye asantefo se bio omo to aba omo enwe ho NPP edidi omo adwemu saa enti 2024 de Ghana ni bia na dwen so obeto aba no ede ama NDC ama yoko neno na Abu echrese omanpenda da John Dramani Mahama ne kasa wa kan wo chrese asante form to aba omo endwe ho na lately comment bia NDC fo emema ede efa asante fo ho no enya de eso omo ani nti ono wakoye asante ni de oma eye omanpenda da John Dramani Mahama enkra we se 2024 wampachewa emana omba Ashanti region emmeme campaign yenti nsema Abu ede etudwa
si forces of the Runa and everybody, Musi ye. You got here for my president, Mamma Samakaka. No more fun to talk. Brother Champo, the animal, sending the fire. No, hey, Gamma, when I may make the child. Remember the Subatodia Yentia video.
I see. And a polling station, they better do or die. 2024 is a critical election, both for them and for us. And I'm saying that for NDC, it's a do or die affair. And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot. NDC has revolutionary roots. And that when it comes to unleashing violence, nobody can beat us in unleashing violence. And so I don't retract. The next election for NDC is going to be a do or die affair.
Now, sir, what did your margin say? What did the Patapa? Every person said, never be 2024 now. The veterans say we have the band. The veterans say we have the band. We have the band. In June, July this year, I am a 4 about the soya sini. Yeah, 2 years, I call you a economy in a peja. Yeah, 2 years, I call you a dollar in a peja.
Elections, no, it will be won or lost at the polling station.
I see.
And the polling station, they better do or die. 2024 is a critical election, both for them and for us. And I'm saying that for NDC, it's a do or die affair. And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot. NDC has revolutionary roots. And that when it comes to unleashing violence, nobody can beat us in unleashing violence. And so I don't retract. The next election for NDC is going to be a do or die affair.
Now, sir, what did your margin say? What did the Patapa? Every person said, never be 2024 now. The veterans say we have the band. The veterans say we have the band. We have the band. In June, July this year, I am a 4 about the soya sini. Yeah, 2 years, I call you a economy in a peja. Yeah, 2 years, I call you a dollar in a peja. Yeah, 2 years, I call you a fumu. Yeah, 2 years, I call you a
Okay, where your course duty the kind of former president some Akeka say 2024 election e be do or die. Yeah, I say dramatic expression boot for boot. Ah, chese election no and the electoral commission Dr. Kuda for the guy. I come here to say elections are won at the police station. It is a one man go for and church obu ya. For the okoka what tibia. We see former president Mama Didier Santimantem na me dan so much wo ba to Asante we ha. Enie papa ya therefore ya asemu awaka e de acha Santefo. Enie don't be like Ashanti region. They are emotionally attached to the MPP that they don't even think. Tio, they don't even think it. They don't even think before voting for them. Don't be like them. Your party and your son has led Ghana into a ditch. Be bold to vote against them. Be different. Come back to the NDC in 2024 and we won't neglect you this time. Former President Mama Nyo, we away. Sa papa ya oda TV say. Ya Santefo ya to aba ya nwene. Ani ya to aba. Eti ya no ya to aba Santeme we man people say bianum nyansa. Ya nwene ansa ni ya to aba. Simply because opasa osedi Ghana so biantintro an wogu Asanteme nu ase. Na ya sha former President Mama Nyo so aba Asante we ha. Ya danu say when ya bema, wo mesi Asante we ha. Say ya nwene ani ato abade a ani ekrom ya yehia ne ha until sa former president mama ebe pa santema acha no yehia na santema mu ha tumi kakra uja fu panti asantefo anwene ne ato aba meboa ye da se na obi a usu ba win elections usi ube training agent for the attire fato suma me na no me ka bi frem so onya ne kre wan kasa na me se ya da so no NDC agent to drink attire for 2024 election. Former President Mama, 22nd March 2023. The National Democratic Congress NDC has served notice of their intention to serve attire to their polling agent to keep them awake and alert to critically monitor the 2024 polls to avert vote rigging. Yatwaso. Yamna mekaya 23rd March. Former President Mama na kai. Let you say what the attire everyone in for. Former President Mama, who is seeking to lead the NDC once again as their presidential candidate for 2024 elections, said he believed drinking attire would enable the NDC agent to perform well. Look at this. Look at this. On December 7, 2024, we shall serve our agent tea, coffee, and attire at the police station in order to enable them to stay awake and monitor the elections results to help prevent rigging. John Dramani Mahama announced publicly, addressing NDC members and sympathizers at the Tafu in Kumasi during his recent tour of the Ashanti region. He confidently stated that the NDC has greater chance to win 2020.